Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can travel fast in Waves Made. It's pretty easy. First of all, you need to open your map, and right here in the map you're gonna see these kind of little stones. These are the points where you can easily set the teleport point, and whenever you select them, you're gonna select the option for teleport. If I select that, I'll get back to the point. This is the teleport stone, you can say. So first of all, you need to unlock these stones, and only then you'll able to teleport to them. So in order to unlock, first of all, choose the teleport point where you go often. So let's say this is the area where I go often, and this is not unlocked yet. So first of all, we're gonna head to this one because this is the one which I have unlocked. So I can just teleport to that, and once we are here, let me just visit that one, select track and just go to that. So this is the stone. In order to unlock this for teleportation, we need to hit F key. This could be different if you're playing on console, and if I do that, the stone will get unlocked, and that way we'll able to teleport here just by selecting the stone. First of all, let me open the map. You can see the teleport is now in a golden color. That means it is unlocked, and this one is not unlocked yet. So you can just unlock this one as well, and once it is unlocked, you can easily teleport to this location. Let's say I want to go to this location now. I can select that, hit teleport. That way we'll able to just teleport on the location. Now if I go and wanna get back to the previous location again, which we have unlocked, this is the one, I can select that and hit teleport. This is the key you need to hit, and yeah, there you go, we are at the location. So similarly, you can easily travel through all these available stones. You need to unlock them first, and once they are unlocked, you can easily select them and teleport to the location. Along with that, you can also teleport to these locations, which are like these one fire icons. You can see it here as well. So yeah guys, this is the best and fastest way to travel across the map in Waves Made. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.